Volkswagen has unveiled the highly anticipated ID Buzz, a long wheelbase version of the iconic VW Microbus. After a 2-decade absence, the Microbus is making its return to North America in 2024. The ID Buzz LWB is described as one of the most spacious electric vehicles on the market. With a longer wheelbase of 9.8 inches compared to the standard model, the ID Buzz LWB offers room for up to 7 people and a large luggage compartment. The sliding doors have been widened by 7.5 inches, and the space between the C-pillars and the rear wheels is 2.3 inches longer. The exterior design of the ID Buzz LWB is similar to the standard model, but the longer wheelbase enhances the proportions and overall aesthetic appeal. The vehicle's width and height remain unchanged. Inside the vehicle, the extended wheelbase creates more space for a third row of seats, a larger luggage compartment, and a new, larger 85 kilowatt-hour battery. The ID Buzz LWB offers seating options for 5, 6, or 7 passengers. The front seats are adjustable and equipped with armrests. In North America, the front row will feature seat air conditioning. The second row consists of a 3-passenger bench seat with split folding backrests. The backrest angle can be adjusted, and the bench seat can slide forward and backward. Heated seats are available as an option, and individual seats with armrests can be chosen. The third row comprises 2 individual seats that can be completely removed when needed. In the US, the third row is standard, but it's optional in Europe and Canada. When it comes to cargo space, the ID Buzz LWB stands out among electric vehicles. With the second and third rows folded down, it can accommodate paragliding equipment, bikes, and boards, offering a maximum load capacity of up to 87.2 cubic feet. The ID Buzz LWB introduces new features inside, such as a head-up display and an enhanced infotainment system with a 12.9-inch display and a 5.3-inch digital instrument panel. The cabin also includes ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof with smart glass. The powertrain options for the ID Buzz LWB include an 82 kilowatt-hour battery and a new 91 kilowatt-hour battery. The rear-wheel drive version delivers 210 kilowatts, 282 horsepower, and 413 pound-feet of torque, with a top speed of 100 miles per hour and a 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 7.9 seconds. Charging the battery is made easier with the ID Buzz LWB fast DC charging capacity of up to 200 kilowatts, allowing for a 10 to 80% charge in just 25 minutes. The vehicle also features a thermal management system and a heat pump for increased efficiency. Volkswagen plans to start delivering the ID Buzz LWB in the US in 2024. Pricing, specifications, and range estimates will be announced closer to the launch date. In summary, the ID Buzz LWB brings back the iconic microbus with a modern electric twist. It offers spaciousness, flexibility, and advanced features, making it a practical and comfortable choice for families and adventurers alike. With its extended range, fast charging capabilities, and stylish design, the ID Buzz LWB aims to make a significant impact in the electric vehicle market.